So every year since 2020, my income has significantly increased from 43,000, 57,000, and last year making the most I've ever made in my entire life, which I feel kind of sad saying that because it's like really true. About $71,000, give or take a couple hundred. And that's like the craziest thing from the Amazon influencer program by doing affiliate marketing. So, and the best part is that you don't need any money to start. I definitely didn't have any money to start. This is one of my love hate side hustles that I think everyone should at least consider, and especially if you want to work from home or work from anywhere in the world. So in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how you can get into the program and start doing affiliate marketing with the Amazon influencer program. I will also be revealing my new strategy and how I'm able to continuously make up to $150 per day, even when Amazon have all these crazy glitches going on because they're famous for them with all of their programs. So you don't want to miss out on that. Also, just to give you a little background so we can jump into everything else, affiliate marketing is when you promote a brand's product or service and then you share a link that is specifically for you. So when someone clicks on that link and sign up for that service or buy that product, you receive a commission. So when you think about it, it's so simple, right? You literally just go somewhere, you find a product, you find a service, and you just share the link. And that goes into the world of the internet. And then people who find it were like, okay, I like it. Click, I'm going to buy it or I'm going to sign up. And then you earn a commission. It's the easiest way ever to make money.
Now, as an Amazon influencer, you have the benefit of creating an Amazon profile, which you can use as your social media in a sense, because it links all of your different accounts, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, I think even your blog now. But when you make your videos, as I'm going to show you later on in this video how to do using Canva, or even just having it on your phone, you can upload it onto your influencer profile, which will then allow you to get sales from Amazon itself. So here we have a page of a nail drill. If you come all the way down to the actual video section, you will see a bunch of videos going across. Now, you see here, these are just regular people, but also you have some influencers as you see over here, as you click over. This is how you make the money. When someone clicks on this video, as you see here, and then you will see right under that person's name, earns commission. If I watch it, purchase, this influencer would make money, and that means you. So as long as your video is showing on here, it will make you money every time somebody clicks on it. So staying consistent with the video we just saw, when you click on the face, you will get to the influencer's storefront. And this is what you will receive as an Amazon influencer. You will not have this option if you are only an Amazon associate. This is where those extra benefits come in from being an associate or an Amazon influencer. So you can upload your different social medias down here. You can put your own little message. You can make your own little backdrop picture, your profile picture, and then you have this section here. So you have idea lists, which is a group of different things you can find on Amazon. Again, you don't even have to buy any of these. You can just go to Amazon, click on the idea list that you created and put it in there. And if somebody clicks on the idea list and they run through it and they're like, oh, I like these shoes. Oh, I like this outfit. It takes them right to the Amazon page, but in the URL, it will have that commission link for yourself. And then you will able to get the money every time someone makes a purchase. And then you have photos. Again, like I mentioned, you can do photos as well. With photos, you're literally taking a picture of either yourself or either the product in use. And then you'll be able to get money every time somebody clicks on the actual product. You have a link to that photo. Very similar. I'm not even sure what program does that, but that's what it is. And it looks like she doesn't even have any photos. So is it down here? Here we go. So for instance, here's her photo here. You click on it and you see the products in this photo. When you click on one of these products, it will take you right to the Amazon account, which again has that affiliate link to you. And then you will make a commission when somebody makes that purchase. And finally, you have the option of doing live streams, which she doesn't have any on here, but videos, what we are going to make in this actual video today. When you make your video, you can upload it again on Amazon to be posted onto your storefront. So anytime somebody watch your video, as you just saw for that nail file, and click on it to make a purchase, you make money.
All right, so here's the home page for the Amazon Influencer Program. Do a quick glance over, read information, and come to the FAQ. Now, if you're wondering how you get into the program, they tell you right here, how do I qualify? Well, you need to have a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and or TikTok account. However, if you are using an Instagram and or a Facebook account, you must use a business account. That's the only stipulation for those two programs by itself. So when you're ready to actually sign up, you will sign up at the button down here at the bottom or the button up here at the top. Once you click on the button, you're going to come to this page here is where you're going to actually link your social medias to see if Amazon will accept you. Now, Amazon has done some changes. When I started in 2020, you was pretty much just get in because they wanted to fuel this program so it don't fail. Because they tried this before years ago. It just didn't go nowhere. So they tried something different. Pretty much, it was very easy to get in, I want to say. So it's always great if you find a new program to just go ahead and apply because you never know what's going to make of it and as time goes on. And in my situation, it really did pan out. So you're going to either use an existing account or you're going to create a new account and you're going to just choose one of those two options. All right, so I chose to log in with an existing Amazon account. So you're going to come to this page here where you will click on one of these to see which one will allow you to get in. Now, the thing you want to remember is you never knew, you can try to apply for all of them. If you have all of these social media accounts and you don't get in through Instagram, try the other three and just keep on going down the line because they want you in the program, but you just got to figure out which one Amazon was approved. They're really hush hush on their criteria. It does say now that they look at to subscriber accounts and other metrics. Well, I only had less than 3,000 subscribers at the time, so things change. But I'm going to try to connect my TikTok account that I've been working on to see if they will accept it. Let's click on TikTok, sign up with TikTok, and you're going to go to this page here, and I'm going to log in and let's see what happens. Here, thank you for applying. We appreciate your interest. Unfortunately, your account does not meet the eligibility requirements at this time. And it tells you, visit associate to see if the program right for you, learn more. So it never tells you exactly why they don't let you in. But this account is very fresh on TikTok. I rarely even use a TikTok, but I just wanted to see because in the beginning you could get in with the account I have, but now they're, upping their requirements. So yeah, this is what it will look like when you are denied. So let's go right ahead and move forward. Fingers crossed you got into the Amazon influencer program. However, don't worry about it. If you didn't, we have one more card to play. You can attempt to log in and sign up for the Amazon Associates account. Now, as you see, the website is very similar to the Amazon influencer account because they are really similar. Amazon influencer is an extension of the Amazon Associate side, so that's why it's very, very similar. You go to the bottom, you see the other FAQ questions, and you have to have a blog or a website or some other criteria for them to accept you. You can, again, just apply, see what they say, and go from there. However, if Amazon is like, nope, we don't want to accept you in, don't feel upset. You have other options to become an affiliate marketer with other websites outside of Amazon. If you're interested in those, I can definitely make a video. Just got to show me some interest in the comments, and I can definitely do the research and share the ones that I've used and I've seen and I've talked about and I've seen other people talk about. So let's keep on going. All right, so after you got everything set up and now you want to start posting to TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever, even your blog, you need to find some links, right? So the first thing you want to go right ahead and do is go to Amazon.com and you want to find a category that actually gave you the most money. And this is where you can find from that commission statement that you will have in your account. You will click on a product. Let's just say this hairspray is in the beauty section. And we saw that beauty is amazing when it comes to how much you can earn back commission wise. So we're going to let Amazon take us to this beauty product here, and we're going to get to the product page. Again, we're going to look at that money bar at the very top. You see everything is blue and clickable. For your links, when you're doing social media accounts, you're going to click on this text right here. And then once it's going to populate, it's going to give you an actual link where you will connect with on your social media. You will see many people always talk about click on a link in my bio. It will bring them to this Amazon page right here. And when they make a purchase, it will come and give you a commission every time. If you have a website, this is where the image and the text and image buttons will come in as well as the custom. So you have options for just social media and also any other website that you may be running for affiliate marketing. You can always get more links once you get more familiar with it with the Amazon Associates account. At that top bar, go into product links. You also will see this influencer button here. If you were indeed included into the program, you also can go to help to get that commission statement. I mean, this bar is great. Click on it, see what's there, and just follow suit so that you can make the most money possible. Okay, so focusing on Amazon, we understood how to get into the actual program, whether it's going to be influencer or actual associates, and also how to find links on Amazon so we can start getting this money. If you are not a person that was accepted into the influencer side and you were accepted onto the associate side, or just want to do the affiliate marketing to help build up your account to become an influencer, you definitely want to move forward to getting you a link tree. Now, you have to find a way for people to find your links, and social media is the best way to do it. If you look at my account here, I have a link tree that takes you to an actual page of different links that I have for affiliate marketing. When people click on those links, I earn a commission. And Linktree is free and it's easy to make, and I have a link down in my description below. Now the next step is create content so people can actually click on your link so you can start making money. Well, how are you going to do that? There are many ways to do it, especially on social media. And the top three that I know of and I use a little bit myself is going to be Pinterest, TikTok, and also YouTube. So let's start off with TikTok. Now, once again, here is my TikTok account. I do want to say that now TikTok has its own influencer and affiliate type of account where you can actually tag products on your videos and people can buy them directly from TikTok versus leaving. But in the very beginning, as you can see, I had very small number of views, but they have only increased, and I have been putting more time into TikTok a little bit, but not a whole lot. However, to make a video with TikTok, you pretty much would just upload it using your phone or going to Canva. Canva is the number one place I go to create my content. It's 100% free, and let me show you how. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come over to create a design. Now, depending upon the platform you want to go to, whether it's going to be TikTok, you will have the different dimensions here. Also, remember Pinterest, and you also have YouTube. So we're talking about TikTok. So let's go ahead to TikTok, and we're going to pick on TikTok video. Now, depending upon the type of content you're going to be creating for your social media will dictate what template you will use or if you use one at all. I personally only focus on reviewing products and services because that's what my complete niche is in a sense. So I would not even do one of these templates. Sometimes I will, especially if it has these word effects, just to give it a little bit of pizzazz. But I will go over here to upload. I would either upload something or I will go to my library. I will come down here. And as you see, I already have some unboxing and other videos. So I will just drag this over here onto my account. I'm going to add some text. So over on TikTok, click on upload.
Now I'm going to click on select file and choose what we just downloaded from Canva. Now we're going to focus on the title. You want to also include click on link in bio in there as well. When you type in the hashtag and type in Temu, you will see a bunch of different options. I like to do a lot of the millions with an M first and then do the billions to give me a shot of actually being seen. And then you can go in and adjust your actual cover picture as well. Make sure you look over your caption, your title to make sure everything is good and you have link in bio in there. Then when you move down to your actual cover photo, I like to go for action shots. So showing the paper coming through the actual shredder will get someone's attention and stop them. Also, I take off a duet in the other one as well. Personal choice, you can do whatever you want. What you see on here is very similar to the app, but not 100%. And then I'm gonna click on upload and you're done. What I like most about what I do is that one video we just made on Canva can also be uploaded on Pinterest and also on my YouTube plus my blog. I can link everything to either my Linktree or directly to the Amazon website using the link from my affiliates account. This makes everything so much easier, so straight to the point, and I'm not focusing on making different types of content for different platforms where my one video can just be given everywhere and then I'm done. All right, so wrapping this all up, pretty much you want to make sure you're being consistent. And I know consistency is like something everyone struggles with, but in order for you to get the people to see your stuff, to click on your link, you have to always upload to bring people to your page so they can see your stuff. So that means on Pinterest, you want to at least do 3 to 4 pins a day. For TikTok, you can do that or more. And also for YouTube, you can actually upload it to a YouTube channel and also make it as a YouTube short. So making everything in the same type of profile as the TikTok video will work for all 3 of those accounts, including your blog if you have one as well. So my strategy is simple as this: consistently uploading different type of reviews, whether it's going to be a full review or just action shot reviews to my social media accounts, making sure I'm using the right keywords and also the right hashtags, especially when it comes to TikTok, and also making sure that I have great lighting and also that I am using the actual product inside of it. As you see, I do not show my face at all in any of my videos because I don't need to, and I definitely don't want to. Most times I just want to get to the point, show the video, and people seem to appreciate that. When it comes to the actual links, make sure that you are choosing the best links that give you the highest commission. Now, if you don't have the actual product and you just talk about it, that's where having a blog comes into it, because you don't physically have to buy the product. You can actually just use some photos from off of Amazon account. They allow you to do that for the terms of service. You have to just read to understand which photos you can and cannot use. But when you are an associate, you are allowed to use some photos inside of the Amazon thing. Also, when you are an Amazon influencer, you are able to utilize Inspire and also the photos area, as well as live streams that helps you generate more money. But those are for future videos. Just want to give you a heads up on all the other making money opportunities you have available to you. So I hope this video gave you some insight on the Amazon Influencer Program, also the associate side, and how to go about getting eyeballs on your content so you can start making that money. Any comments you have, any clarification you may need, give it to me in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you guys on the next video.